The ANT26N electric linear actuator features a maximum outer tube diameter of only 26 millimeters. Its compact body delivers impressive thrust, with a maximum load of up to 500 newtons per actuator. The stroke can be customized on demand within 200 millimeters, making it ideal for applications with limited installation space yet high load requirements. With IP67M and IP69K dustproof and waterproof ratings, an aluminum alloy outer tube, and a 316 stainless steel extension tube, the actuator is fully suited for a wide range of climates and operates reliably in harsh outdoor environments, rain or shine. In the retracted, closed position, the installation length is 170 millimeters, plus S, where S represents the stroke length. Customization is available to meet specific design requirements. The actuator is equipped with built-in limit switches that automatically stop operation at both ends of the stroke. Optional features, such as overcurrent protection and Hall feedback, can be added, requiring only an additional 20 millimeters in installation length. At full load, the actuator reaches a maximum speed of 9.5 millimeters per second. For example, with a 100 millimeter stroke and a 250 newton load, one complete extend and retract cycle takes approximately 30 seconds. In terms of service life, under the same conditions, 100 millimeter stroke, 250 newton load, the actuator is rated for over 20,000 cycles. A 1-year warranty is provided to ensure peace of mind. Currently, the ANT26N electric linear actuator is widely used in motorized louvers, electric awnings, electric wheelchairs, pipeline inspection robots, and many other applications. Its stable performance has earned strong recognition from customers across multiple industries. PB